See, Wings is women involved in nurturing, growth, and sharing. So, from the name itself, it is very clear it is a platform which is not to be known by my name. It is a platform for other women. So their presence has to be recognized in this platform. And as many women can join and be a part of this entire big platform that I'm talking about, which is not surrounded by a boundary of, say, a region or a particular set of women or a particular, I would say, specific group of women which belong to certain category. We have broken all such barriers to bring up the Wings platform. Wings platform, the motivation comes from breaking the barriers in you when you join Wings. So, the foundational blocks, I would say, have been nurturing, growing, and sharing. And they are like, if I have to say from the other angle or other perspective, the Wings platform, when women join, they have this intrinsic quality of actually nurturing, growing, and sharing. Women do have the sisterhood feeling for each other, as well as they are the caregivers. So, this entire name or acronym is just apt suited for the women. So it was a bigger platform which was not bound by any limitations. Rather, I would say we had to break many barriers. When the women join, they break their own barriers when they cross their own limitations after joining the platform. So the mission is actually to bring forth those women who can be enabled to break down their own limitations, stand and create their own identity, and natural instincts that they already have is of nurturing, growing, and sharing. So with those three things, they grow in a very, I would say, they grow multifold when they join Wings platform. So that is what has been the inspiration to start the Wings platform.